down the road today. Gonna rob someone's house. I ain't got no money. What you gonna do to stop me? It's a modern world. Yeah, I didn't get my dole today. 2 hours in the dole office. Didn't have time to see me at all. Running round a circle. Oh yeah. Feel like I'm going crazy sometimes, don't you? Well, I thought of emigrating, and I got a record, yeah. Nowhere would have me for another 6 years. No. Well, no. Dirty drug selling guy. Just 2 spliffs now. And a bit of speed. I was 14 years old. What you gonna do when you got no future? The streets is broken down, and you used to look nice. Now everything is trouble neighbor on the right, trouble neighbor on the left. I should just walk away. I should just walk away. But I got nowhere to walk. No. Maybe tonight, or maybe just another day. Then you got mental health preying on your mind. You got mental health playing on your mind. Oh, everybody got one, everybody gotta go. Be free and easy without paying taxes. You got everything you want, but somehow you got nothing. Got nothing at all. Funny noise at the door tonight. Would that be calling at this time? It's about what I owe money to, and every pay. Pride in your mom. Don't see no difference. You could've just forgot about it. Yeah, you could've just forgot about it. How much you owe me? Everybody dying, might as well enjoy it while you're dying. Living's not fun, never got no money, unless you're the Aga Khan. And there's you and me, walking out of factory doors, got a blue outfit on. Go faster, boy. There's nothing about this in school. What's it now? Go faster, boy. They set you up for a pilot. Look what happened. Rich kids only. Look what happened to me. I ain't nobody. Ain't nobody. I'm just working in a factory. That little blue outfit got the company name on the back. Rest of the time I'm spinning around in circles.